We're in Romsey this weekend, and if you don't know where that is just north of Southampton. We go past it every time we go on our way to the New Forest. We are in a campsite called Three Trees Campsite, and it's quite a nice campsite, very open and very busy this weekend, because in Romsey town centre itself they have a festival called Beggars Fair, and they've had it for every year for like the last 30 years or something like that. It's all about local foods, local music, live music, all this kind of stuff. Not entirely sure what to expect, so it's going to be a new thing for us as well as you. Beautiful weather, blue sky all around. It's not going to last long though. It's apparently, according to the weather, it's 50% chance this afternoon that it's going to rain. 50% chance means to me they have no idea what the weather's going to be like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to follow us and our antics in our motorhome called Herman. Now the other thing is, we're not walking, we're not cycling, we're not driving into town, because it's going to be heaving, I think. So we're going to get the bus. We've arrived at Beggars Fair, Romsey. It was at this point that I got worried that all the music was going to be brass bands. Oh, what little faith I had. And I think this is just one of the stages. There's plenty others, plenty more music around the town. This must be the square, I think. All the bunting, everything. And this chap is Palmerston. This is very nice, check this out. All the bollards here, they got knitted covers on them all the way around. I wonder if these guys are old Harry Potter fans. These were great fun. They do like dressing up, but not always as Harry Potter. Oh no, they're asking for dancers. Harry Potter and his crew, Gandalf, tribute band. They even got the mayor in there, look. That's the mayor in gold. Everyone behind me is just completely dumbstruck. So Morris dancing with ladies, and they've all got like the faces done up with tigers or something, some sort of cat, lions. These ladies are from the Isle of Wight, and some were staying at the campsite. We love these, a great folk band.
The chains all around me will fall away at last, and on the grand and fateful day I will take thee in my hand, and I will ride train, and I will be your fisherman with the light in my head, you in my arms. Whoa, oh,
Well, we've just had lunch in this cafe here, However, there's loads of places you can eat, just like street food and whatnot. Look how busy it is though. And it's starting to rain. Just here is the Cocky Anchor. Great name for a pub. Oh, the Ogre Tones. We love the Ogre Tones. They play covers from Shrek movies and dressed up as the characters. Makes you hear and cry. Live and let die. Live and let die. Live and let die. Here's a full lineup of all the artists at the fair, and you can see that there's quite a few of them. Well, it's just gone 5.
We've had a couple of beers.
Don't tell them that. We've been enjoying music all day, and it's gone 5. So
a little bit of alcohol.
The music is kind of dying down, but the pubs are still open, and they're heaving. It's like as if I reckon it's going to be worse tomorrow when England win the World Cup, the Euros. It's like that here right now. It is. Look, there are queues to get into all the pubs. Look at this one. This is the Phoenix. There's a queue outside.
I feel so out of place. Do you?
I've never seen a place like this before. Maybe if big celebrations like the country's celebrating a World Cup win or something, but it is very busy. So I'm not entirely sure what they're queuing for, because the pub inside looks practically empty. Yeah, it didn't rain too much, did it? It's supposed to have been thundering though, so we didn't see hear any thunder. Well, it's coming up to what we would normally have our dinner. We're not too sure whether or not we should go back to Herman and make something, or wander around here and then find a restaurant or something. Apparently there's a nice Indian here.
Oh, I don't know if I fancy Indian.
I don't know. Now most of the stalls have closed up, but the Scouts, they're still making huge jumbo hot dogs. They smell gorgeous. Like I said, I'm not hungry, but I do fancy one. Now this cake stall is about to close because they are completely empty, except for these 3 cakes.
This is all I started with over 450.
450 cakes and now it's all gone. That's incredible. And this is where we've been most of the evening, the Cocky Anchor. We are outside at the back listening to the music. Lucy Drake, I think her name was, 16-year-old, very good artist. Lucy sung many different types of music, including Elvis.
I'll go back to
And then I saw her face, and I'm a believer.
We like these too, another great rock band.
Say it, I'm in love. I'm a believer.
going to finish our day having some gorgeous, and I mean they're gorgeous, nice and crispy fish and chips. Just been cooked. We had to wait ages for the fish to be cooked, but I suppose that's normal. We're having it in the shadow of Romsey Abbey. Very picturesque. We're not even that hungry, but I am going to eat the whole thing. Anyway, see you in the morning.